How seniors can make money from home as beginners without tech overwhelm. If you think you're too old, too late, or too behind to start earning online, you've been told the wrong story. Here's the truth. I didn't grow up with smartphones, social media, or any of the tech that's everywhere today. I was 70, in debt, and couldn't retire when I learned that people my age were making income from home without complicated skills. That sounded like too good to be true. And here's the surprising part. You don't have to be good with computers to do it. You don't need to go viral. You don't need a following. What you do need is a simple system, one that's already built for you, so you're not wasting months trying to figure it out. Oh my gosh, forget that. Automation, so your business runs even when you're not glued to the screen. Even better. And a mentor or blueprint, because the fastest way to get results is to follow someone who's done it successfully. The biggest mistake I see beginners, especially seniors, make is thinking they have to learn everything before even starting. Not true. That's like waiting to buy groceries until you've read the entire cookbook. By then, you're already starving and hungry. The world is changing fast, and waiting only puts you further behind. You can start with something as small as setting up one automated product or service that works in the background while you spend just a couple hours a day learning and growing it. Ideal. That's my favorite. It's not about hustling 10 hours a day. It's about working smart for 2 hours. And if you think it's too late for you, remember, I started at 70. I'm Holly, and now I have a small automated businesses, as in plural, bringing in income all the time. The only question is, when the next 3 months pass, do you want to be in the same place you are today now, or already seeing your first sales come in? Which would you choose? If you're ready to see exactly what I'm doing, I'll leave the link to my website below so you can explore it for yourself. Any questions? Just reply back and put it in an email, because I respond to each and every person's requests and questions. I'm here to help. I'm certified and a mentor. HollyPringDailyPay.com.